Hey everyone, it's Jen Coyle from HelloBrio.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a repeating pattern that you downloaded for the Briolet membership and show you how to create the repeat in Photoshop so you can use it digitally or to print it out on your printer. So I've gone ahead and downloaded the zip file to my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and open the folder, choose the repeat that I want. So I'll take this one and drag it into Photoshop. And then from here, just go ahead and hit Command or Control A to select everything. Go to Edit, Define Pattern, and then you can rename it to be whatever you want. I'm just going to get rid of the .png and click OK. From here, go ahead and hit Command N on your keyboard to start a new document. I'm going to change the units to be inches, so I want this to be paper size so I can go ahead and print it out on my printer and use it for scrapbooking. So I want to make sure the resolution is 300 pixels per inch if you're using this for print. Keep the color mode as CMYK color. Go ahead and click OK. In this new document, I'm going to go ahead and click a new layer. Dump color in here with the paint bucket tool, which is G on your keyboard. It can be any color, it doesn't really matter. Then go ahead and double click on the layer in the layers panel. From here, go to pattern overlay and then choose the drop down for the pattern. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, choose your pattern, and you can play with the scale here until you get it to be the size that you want it to be. When you're happy with the preview, go ahead and click OK. And now you have your repeating pattern that seamlessly repeats in one document within Photoshop. If you wanted to use this pattern digitally, you want to hit Command N for new document, change the resolution to be 72 pixels per inch for a screen resolution, and change it to be RGB color. Click OK. And then from here you can just go ahead and dump the pattern in here. Again, go ahead and click new layer, dump any color in the layer, double click on the layer, click on pattern overlay, click on the pattern drop down, choose your pattern, scale it to the appropriate size, and click OK when you're happy. I hope this video was helpful showing you how to use a repeating pattern in Photoshop. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!